NAWCAD-Lakehurst is at the forefront of each step of the process to launch aircraft from aircraft carriers, using legacy steam catapults and the new electromagnetic aircraft launch systems, or EMALS. The support equipment needed to tow aircraft and load ordnance, the information systems that inform aviation data management and deck operations, the equipment that tests aircraft engines, and the jet blast deflectors that protect the next aircraft as it takes its place to launch are all NAWCAD-Lakehurst. With shipboard representative test sites, NAWCAD-Lakehurst provides continued system testing and personnel training for all launch and recovery systems. Forward for the fleet means we test it here, so it works out there.